2010 Mazda 3, and today we're going to be replacing the EGR valve. Here's our new one from CarQuest. Echo Golf Charlie 1035 is the part number. Let's get to it. First step, we're going to go ahead and remove our plastic cover. And the EGR valve is located right inside of here. Moving this wire out of the way. See if I can get a little more light. There we go. And there's the EGR valve right down there. Here's the top of it. Right there. First step, go ahead and reach down here and unplug it. It is a push and pull tab. So you push down on the tab right there and you can just pull it straight out. There we go. I'm probably going to go ahead and remove this intake box because it seems like it would be a lot easier to do that. So I should be able to get to the bolts right under here. You can see that this hose, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect some of these wires. So we can get this big harness out of the way. So right down there, we can see that hose attaching to the bottom of the EGR valve right there. We need to get that off with a pair of needle nose pliers. Give me a little bit more play in this wiring harness, which will let me open this up a lot more. Alright, the clip's removed. I might have to wait until I pull the EGR valve to actually disconnect the hose from it, because I'm probably going to have to be able to twist it. But reaching underneath of the upper radiator hose, as I'm calling it, you can see that I can touch both of the, I want to say that's a 10, but I might be wrong. They are 10 millimeters. Nothing needs to be like that. It is a 10 millimeter bolt. I don't know who hurt the guy that installed this, but he needs counseling, because there is no reason for that shit. Alright, and the second bolt is out. Now that we have this free, I can go ahead and break this hose loose. there's your EGR valve. Only really hard part about this job is that rear bolt. Make sure you take your old gasket off. Clean this surface with some sandpaper or a scrub brush or something, just to make sure you get all the little pieces of plastic from the old gasket off of it. You can see right in there how it's got all these little black pieces still left on it. Make sure that's nice and clean. Put your new EGR valve and gasket on, and you'll be golden. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.